After a freezing day outdoors, Ni Zigwang and Jiang Rui returned to their hotel room to warm up. Jiang Rui complained about the daunting task of teaching 3-0 base beginners the next day and suggested hiring another coach to help coach Hu. Once alone, Zigwang looked through the photos Zhuang Qiu had taken for them earlier, feeling a lingering sense of unease. She reflected on the confusing signals Zhuang Qiu had sent in the past, thinking to herself that it was wrong to toy with another's heart by being hot and cold. While she was lost in these thoughts, Lin Yusen sent her a photo of the snowy landscape. Realizing the view was identical to the one from her own window, she rushed outside and found him standing in the snow. Lin Yusen had followed her all the way to Changbai Mountain and presented her with a small snowman he had made. He teased that he had easily tracked her down after she revealed her coordinates in her previous social media post. Their reunion was interrupted by Jiang Rui, who had followed Zigwang out. To hide their true relationship, Zigwang quickly improvised, introducing Lin Yusen as a ski coach she had just hired. Lin Yusen played along, introducing himself as Lin and even offering to make Jiang Rui a snowman as a promotional service to build rapport. Though Jiang Rui felt something was off about this handsome coach who lacked a local accent, Zigwang pushed the lie forward, scheduling him to meet the family the next morning. Meanwhile, Lin Yusen returned to his own room where his mother, Sheng Wei and Mr. Luo were staying. Sheng Wei had already guessed her son was there for a girl, and Lin Yusen assured her that they would likely not cross paths on the slopes since her group would be on the beginner runs. The next morning, Lin Yusen and Coach Hu arrived to meet Zigwang's family. Zigwang felt a wave of regret for letting Lin Yusen meet her mother, Jiang Yu, and her aunt and uncle without any preparation. To maintain the ruse, she told her family she had found Lin Yusen, a freelance coach traveling through the area, through a post on Weibo. During the lesson, Zigwang insisted that Lin Yusen teach her personally while Hu handled the three elders. As they practiced, Lin Yusen proved to be an attentive instructor, correcting Zigwang's posture and noting that she was leaning back too much and using her calves incorrectly out of fear. While the elders were busy taking celebratory photos of their basic progress, a disgruntled Jiang Rui felt ignored and eventually went off to ski by himself. As Zigwang began to get the hang of the movements comparing the sensation to flying on a sword, Lin Yusen decided it was time to move to the beginner slopes. He went ahead to check the gradient and snow conditions, leaving Zigwang to wait near the lift. Nearby, Zhuang Qiu's group was heading up the mountain. Justin spotted Zigwang and pointed her out to Zhuang Qiu, noting how sweet she looked. In an attempt to avoid an awkward encounter, Zigwang tried to ski away but quickly lost her balance. She ended up sliding directly into Lin Yusen's arms just as he returned to her. This romantic moment was witnessed by Chris and Zhuang Qiu. While Chris was envious of the scene, Zhuang Qiu turned away and headed for the intermediate slopes in silence. Lin Yusen then spent the rest of the session guiding Zigwang down the slope and taking photos of her, even joking that she skied like a Daja crab from their home region. That evening, the two families ended up at the same restaurant. Lin Yusen joined Zigwang's family, explaining he was from Shanghai and currently working in Suzhou. Zigwang tried to keep the conversation moving to prevent her aunt from interrogating him too deeply. However, the plan fell apart when Sheng Wei spotted Lin Yusen through the window. She entered the restaurant, jokingly pretending to be a student asking why Coach Lin had abandoned her for another gig. Lin Yusen had no choice but to introduce his mother and Mr. Luo to everyone. The situation took a surprising turn when Jiang Yu and Sheng Wei recognized each other from a business event years ago. The secret was finally out. Lin Yusen was not a freelance coach but Zigwang's boss who managed Shuangyuan. Back in their rooms, Zigwang's family questioned her about her relationship with her superior. Jiang Yu admitted she had a good impression of Lin Yusin but warned that the Sheng family background was incredibly complex. Meanwhile, in another room, Sheng Wei opened up to Lin Yusin about his father's past. She revealed that she had pursued his father despite their social differences, and for a time, they were very happy. However, his father's brilliance at Shengyun made the other Sheng sons jealous. They conspired to set him up for a corporate mistake, and although Sheng Xianmin knew the man was innocent, he defaulted to a tactical decision and exiled him to a remote post for 3 years to silence the critics. Tragically, Lin's father died alone in that foreign land. Sheng Wei confessed that her long estrangement from the family was her way of punishing herself for bringing him into the family business. Lin Yusin, hearing the full story for the first time, finally understood his mother's long-standing pain and the reasons for her distance from his grandfather.